Our channel Naath Global News. If you're a new member, please subscribe, like, share. Today we have to know how many people are displaced from their homes in PG Tiayad. Over 12,000 displaced by fighting in Jonglei seek shelter in Ayad. PG displaced persons seek sanctuary in Ayad courts. More than 12,000 people have fled ongoing violence in PG and Phangak County and are now seeking refuge in Ayad County, according to local authorities. Dwoth Nayuan, the coordinator of Ayad County, told to iRadio that dozens of new arrivals reached the county earlier this week after spending 7 days traversing the bush. He attributed the displacement to continued clashes between forces of South Sudan People's Defense Forces, SSPDF, and the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLAEO. Some mothers reported losing up 4 children on the way due to hunger and exhaustion. Nayuan said, the newly arrived internally displaced persons, IDPs, are sheltering in schools and churches across the Ayad town and surrounding areas, including Wau Payam, Kerwai Payam, Pabong Payam and Pajiak Payam. Kerwai, Pabong Payam and Pajiak Payam. Some families are also being hosted by local spiritual leader Makuak. They spend 7 days on the way. The number of displaced persons now in Ayad town is 12,171. Said Nayuan. They're occupying churches and both primary and secondary schools. The county coordinator has issued an urgent appeal to humanitarian agencies. I raise my voice to the NGOs, let them come and see these displaced people because they have no food and they have no medicine, Nayuan said. The displaced children are not going to school. Let the NGOs go and witness their situation. Thank you for watching. I am very excited for your support.